Okay, so today I'm going to draw a pudgy version of a butterfly. And now, I think this one is quite easy. I think all the pudgies are pretty easy, but this one is particularly easy. So for most pudgies, we do a circle to start, like a sort of a sideways oval. And sometimes I like to practice in the air. Oops, that's way too big. We start with an oval on its side, kind of like this shape. So just sort of practice in the air until you feel like it's a good one. And it takes practice to do circles, but something sort of like this, that's going to be the butterfly's head. And then divide that in half. But this line is not going to stay. That's why it's important to start with pencil. This line, we're going to erase it. It's just a guideline so we can draw the eyes under it. Okay? So draw one eye about there under the line, and the other eye right there under the line. And then up in the right corner of the eye, we do a small circle on both eyes. And the bottom left corner, we do the same, another small circle. Now we don't fill those in because those are the shiny spots. Just color the rest in with your pencil. And now, imagine a line or draw it under the eyes, like that. That's where the mouth is going to go. So right under that line. And now we can erase those lines just so we don't make a mistake and draw those when we're doing the ink part. Because we're going to cover it over after with a pen. Alright, so now if you want to, you can put some eyelashes. 1, 2, 1, 2, and eyebrows. Boop. 2 little eyebrows. And the body of the butterfly is pretty easy. It's just pretty much a rounded V. Pretty small, like that. I like to put a few lines on it just for some style, like that. Okay, so now right above the eyebrows, we're gonna start and do the wing, and the wing is going to come out to about the same size or bigger than what the head was. So it's going to help you if you put a dot there, a dot as big as the wing is going to go, and then a dot where the wing is going to end, just for a guide. Now we bring our line up around, and we can finish it like this. Now just go very lightly and try to make your strokes smooth. Do the same thing here, a dot where it's going to start, a dot where the wing is going to go, and a dot where it ends. And then we draw in the line, curved around. Curved around. Like that. And now for the bottom part of the wing, just in from the edge a little. Come down and back up, probably to that second line on the body. Down and up. Now on the top of the head, do 2 little feelers. And inside the wings you can put whatever design you want. I just did some circles, a big one and a little one. And you can try to make both wings the same. Alright, so let's trace it over. Now I made a little mistake when I was drawing with the pen. Instead of following the pencil line, I drew the line way down here. So what did I do? I just made it the same on both sides, and that fixed it. So there's our Pudgie butterfly. And I forgot the eyebrow. Give it a try!